Today, we're going to draw and color some numbers. 1, 2, and 3. And guess what? We'll add cute little apples, too. Let's start with number 1. Shh, shh. Nice and straight. Great job! Now, let's draw one apple under number 1. Yum! That apple looks tasty! Next comes number 2. Curvy and smooth. Perfect! Let's draw 2 apples under number 2. Oop! Now let's make number 3. One big curve, then another. Beautiful! Let's draw 3 apples under it. Wow! So colorful and cute! Now color everything. Use orange for the numbers, red for apples, and green for the leaves. Amazing work, little artists! You did it! We drew 1, 2, and 3 with apples! Yay! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which number you want to draw next. Radio